In this video, we'll go over the steps necessary to install the command line tools, which includes the C++ compiler on the Mac OS X platform. In order to do this, we need to have a terminal window. So let's go over to Spotlight Search and type in terminal, and we'll get a terminal window running. At this point, we want to type xcode-select --install and press enter. If you get a dialog box that pops up as I do, that means that the command line tools and the compiler are not currently installed. If you get a message saying that they are currently installed, then you're done. You can move on to installing the integrated development environment. In this case, I have the choice of installing the full Xcode integrated development environment or simply install the command line tools. I'm only going to install the command line tools, which again includes the compiler. So I'll select install. I'll agree to the license agreement, and the software will be downloaded and installed. It's a pretty quick process. After a few minutes, you'll see a message saying the software was installed and the installation is complete. You can test out the installation by simply typing G++ --version at the terminal. And you'll see the version number of the C++ compiler, which means it's all set and good to go. At this point, you'll keep the command line tools up to date through the App Store. So you could select App Store, Updates, and you can see your command line tool updates will appear here. Right now, I've got no updates available because I just installed the latest. That's it. We've installed the command line tools. Our compilers are all set up, and we're good to go. The next step is to install the integrated development environment.